I want to see that big smile when we get off the ground, right?
And Mexico traffic, Experimental 750 STOL is going to be departing runway 18. Will be local flight for Mexico.
All right. Bring back the stick a little bit, and the power. Nose comes up. Increase the rest of the power.
Oh my god! Oh wow!
What do you think so far?
That takes off pretty quick.
Oh yeah. All right, let me do a turn my way. Do one this way. You see over the skylight there?
Oh.
There you go.
Oh wow.
I see most aircraft you can't see over the wing like that. So you're kind of turning in a blind spot. The skylight there, you gotta look straight up too. Now, put your hand right here. Okay. Now you be very relaxed. Go up, or back, down, down. Okay, it's your airplane. Now do everything nice and easy.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Go down just a little bit, or forward with it. There you go. Now bring it back. We want level flight. There you go. Just hold it right there for a second. Okay. Now you're getting used to it. Now let's go to the left. So go to the left with the stick, and then pull back just a little bit as you're in the turn. Not too much. A little less. A little less. A little less. Go to the right. Go to the right. There you go. There you go. Perfect. Yeah. Smile.
Really cool.
Yeah, it's a beautiful day to fly. I mean, this is like an overcast day, wintertime.
Yeah.
Just perfect. So you're here with your husband building the rudder here at the workshop. So are you enjoying building the rudder?
Yeah.
I know you're doing a little bit of work on your own.
Yeah.
So you're not at the full workshop, but you're understanding what's going on and what he's going to be doing later on. And
yes, I think it's a really good workshop to let you know like what to do later.
right.
I think he was saying once you build this, you kind of know how to build the rest. So I get it now.
Yeah, it's the same process exactly.
Yeah.
All right, well, let's go in and do a landing.
And Mexico traffic, Experimental 750 is base to final 418 Mexico.
What do you think? That wasn't too bad. Well, I'm glad you enjoyed it.
Yeah, thank you.